Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to grow your omni-channel sales beyond the status quo by accelerating your quote-to-cash process with Configure One in NetSuite. Configure One is enterprise web-based CPQ software that allows you to accelerate your quote-to-cash process by automating custom quote documents, multi-level bills of material, and shop floor routings. These outputs are immediately available to your customers and employees to speed up buying decisions. In addition to accelerating your sales processes, Configure One can provide a rich and immersive quoting experience for your customers through the use of 2D and 3D visualization. Real-time 2D is often used to create lightweight sales graphics and approval drawings that can be shared with your customers. These real-time 2D and 3D scenes can be viewed directly in the browser without requiring any plugins. By utilizing these powerful tools, your business can make purchasing your products an experience rather than just a task. Many of our customers have found that they have been able to increase their hit rate among prospects by adding engaging content such as these 2D and 3D scenes to their configuration process. Configure One has standard integrations to Autodesk Inventor, PTC's Creo, and Dassault Systems SolidWorks, allowing us to automate your CAD models and drawings. That CAD automation frees up your engineering staff to work on more value-added products such as R&D or truly engineered-to-order products. Configure One also has a standard integration to NetSuite, automating the creation of items, multi-level bills of material, and standard routings. Our integration into advanced manufacturing allows us to create workbench records, operations, and other metadata associated with NetSuite's advanced manufacturing. We can launch directly from a NetSuite opportunity, quote, and sales order, as well as the Customer Center and Advanced Partner Center. Now we will take a look at how Configure One can be used in conjunction with NetSuite by creating a NetSuite opportunity, adding a quote with a configured line item to that opportunity, and moving the opportunity through its entire sales cycle. Here we are in NetSuite, and first we will create a new opportunity. We will select a customer and save the opportunity. From here, we will go to the Quote section and add a quote. This Quote button is part of Configure One's integration with NetSuite. As you can see, this is an empty quote, so we will add a configuration. We will be configuring a freight truck today. Our application will be General Service, and our location is Oak Brook, Illinois, which also happens to be the location of the Configure One headquarters. Notice how this dynamic 2D image updates in real time based off the selections we make, such as the chassis model, length, and width. Next, we will choose the color and rear door type of our freight truck. We've made it easy for users to visualize their choices in this 3D scene. You can even add animations to make the experience more immersive. Now we will skip to the end, making all of the default selections and configure the product. Now Configure One is taking those inputs and creating outputs such as multiple bills of material, real-time 2D images, and brochures. Now we will add this configuration to the quote. We will change the quantity to 2, add a 5% discount, and go to the quote info page where we can fill out some basic forecasting information that will get passed back into NetSuite. Now when the Build button is pressed, Configure One will create the final proposal document that can be shared with the customer and will be available as a PDF within the NetSuite opportunity. Here is that proposal stored under Files. For this example proposal, you can see we have a cover page, the quote itself with the line item, the bill of material, a couple dynamically created 2D images, a specification sheet, and a Freightliner brochure, all created using Configure One's document engine. Now we can open up the quote where you can see the line item for the freight truck. And once the customer approves the purchase, we can turn the quote directly into a sales order. This is the standard use case for using Configure One to seamlessly add a configured item and associated documents to a NetSuite opportunity. Thank you for listening. Please contact us if you want to turn your quote-to-cash process into a competitive advantage and grow your business beyond the status quo.